Jai Srimannarayana. 33rd Sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yo yam yogaha tvaya proktaha saumyena madhusudana एतस्याहं न पश्यामि चञ्चलत्वात् स्थितिं स्थिराम् ॐ Realize that keeping your mind free from restlessness is not impracticable. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize that keeping my mind free from restlessness is not impracticable. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 5th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra." In that process, Parikshin Narendra asking, "Ho Yogindra, why Krishna Paramatma killed his uncle Kamsa? Deham Manushamaashritya kati varshani vrushnibhihi." Sakshat Srimannarayana came down in human form as Sri Krishna Paramatma. How many years he lived on this earth and how many wives Krishna Paramatma has. How many years that Krishna Paramatma lived in Dwaraka. Ho Yogindra, I do realize that you know everything about Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why whatever the details that I am asking, whatever the details that I am not asking, you please tell me all divine miraculous activities of Sri Krishna Paramatma in detail and describe me to the fullest extent. O Yogendra, to listen to all of them, I am very much excited and I have full amount of Shraddha. O Yogendra, ni mukambujata nirmukta Harikathamrutamun travadravan menun podalen vantamanen pibantam tvan mukham bhojachitam harikathamrutam. O Yogendra, the nectar that is Paramatma's divine stories, that nectar is coming out from your divine face. And I have been drinking and drinking all that nectar, and I am feeling so much excited, and I am feeling so much peaceful, happy, content. And though the death is very close to me, I am not worried anymore, and I don't feel hungry, I don't feel thirsty. My mind is full of joy and enjoying listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana's divine stories from you. Like that, Parikshit Narendra requesting Yogendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 33rd sloka. Yoyam yogaha tvaya proktaha saumyena madhusudana etasyaham napashyami chanchalatvat sthitim sthiram. Yoyam yogaha tvaya proktaha saumyena madhusudana etasyaham napashyami chanchalatvat sthitim sthiram. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.